Peader Espey is my name, and I'm Facilities Manager and Energy Performance Officer with Donegal County Council. Donegal County Council is one of the partners in SMARTrenew. SMARTrenew aims to promote and improve the uptake of renewable smart technology and energy mix in rural populated areas across the Northern Europe region. Under SMARTrenew, Donegal County Council carried out a renovation and energy upgrade of the Milford PSC and Community Library. With the help of SMARTrenew and the project partners, we have implemented three 42.6 kilowatt air source heat pumps and a 5 kilowatt heat pump for the water demand, and the 3 air source heat pumps are for the space heating. The three 42.6 kilowatt air source heat pumps here have replaced in this exact area a 10,000 litre oil storage tank. From here, the air source heat pumps go inside into our former boiler house, where we've got our control panels and our pumps serving the whole building. Now I'd like to show you, we're in our pump house, recently renovated as part of the SMARTrenew project, and this is our control panel for the air source heat pumps. These are our main circulating pumps coming in from the outside. Here we have our buffer tanks and pressure vessels, and moving on round now we have our various zones that are feeding the building. As part of SMARTrenew, we have also, for our pilot project here in Milford, added in CT metering onto the supply that's coming from each individual air source heat pumps. So we have 4 CT meters here in the switch room, and this information is going back to our desktops and our phones, giving us live smart information with regards to consumption specifically to the air source heat pumps. So as part of Donegal's SMARTrenew energy project, we've also added in 20 number photovoltaic panels. This is a 6 kilowatt system generating live electricity throughout the year, 365 days a year. We have the 20 panels up here on our roof, on our grid system, and from these panels there's a power supply back down into our inverter within the building. So here we are now in our storage facility within the building, and within here we have located our inverter. This inverter is coming directly from the photovoltaic panels above us in the roof, which is gathering and generating electricity, coming down in our trunk in here into our inverter and then back into our switch room. The generation of electricity, renewable electricity, is gathered here and providing live information for us within our desktops and within our smartphones through this data logger here. As part of the SMARTrenew energy upgrade project here at Milford PSC, the fabric of the full building was looked at in advance. And as part of the project, we had fabric upgrades to some of our windows, and also we have pumped the full cavity with NSAI approved cavity beads. So you can drill holes here across the face of the elevation, and that is carried out to the full building to improve the thermal fabric performance of the building prior to the installation of the heat pumps and photovoltaic panels. Throughout Donegal County Council's project here at Milford PSC and Community Library, the success of the project wouldn't have been without the help and assistance of my colleague here, Emmett McCabe. Emmett has been instrumental in the project from the start at inception right through to construction and handover. And I'd like to thank Emmett for your time on that. Thank you. Following on from Donegal County Council's project in Milford PSC Community Library through SMARTrenew, the information and data obtained in that project is helping Donegal County Council now look at further energy upgrades at more of our facilities throughout the community and throughout the county.